In this video, we listed the 5 best electric bike under $1,000 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FEIVOS A1 Folding Electric Bike. The A1 electric bike features a 400W motor, disc brake plus electronic brake system, and can reach speeds of up to 40 km/h. Constructed with an aluminum alloy frame and front shock absorption, it offers a smooth and comfortable ride. The bike is powered by a 48V lithium battery, with options of 12Ah, 20Ah, or 30Ah capacity. With a maximum load capacity of 200 kilograms, it is designed for 2 passengers and includes features such as UPS charging with a mobile phone holder, digital display instrument, remote control, plus key boot mode, and 20-inch vacuum tires. Weighing 22 kilograms in its naked state, the A1 is foldable for easy storage and transportation. Originating from mainland China, this luxury electric bike offers a stylish and efficient mode of transportation with its driveshaft feature and sleek design. Number 2. DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike. The G20 Pro Max electric bike by DEEPOWER is a luxurious 2-seater model designed for high-performance rides. With a powerful brushless motor offering options of 500W, 750W, 1000W, or 2000W, this bike can reach speeds exceeding 50 km/h and has a range of over 60 km per charge. The aluminum frame, 20 wheels, and front and rear disc brakes ensure a smooth and safe ride. Powered by a 48V lithium battery with capacities of 12, 8Ah or 25Ah, the G20 Pro Max is built for endurance and reliability. Originating from mainland China, this non-foldable electric bike combines style, power, and efficiency for a premium riding experience. Number 3. Coswheel GT20 Electric Bicycle. The Coswheel GT20 e-bike is a multifunctional electric bike designed for adults seeking adventure and performance. With a powerful 1500W, 1000W rated brushless high-speed motor, this bike can reach speeds exceeding 50 km/h and has a range of over 60 km per charge. The aluminum alloy frame, 20 x 4.0 all-terrain tires, and front and rear oil-pressing disc brakes ensure stability and control on various terrains. Powered by a removable 48V 25Ah lithium battery with a charging time of about 3.58 hours, the GT20 offers a mileage range of up to 93 miles, 149 kilometers, depending on road conditions and rider weight. Equipped with a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, a hydroformed triple-butted 6061T6 front fork, and features such as front headlights, LCD color screen display, and 3 riding modes, this electric bike provides a versatile and thrilling riding experience. Suitable for riders between 5.1 and 6.5 feet tall, the GT20 has a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms and comes with free shipping, original design, and 1-year insurance, making it a compelling choice for electric bike enthusiasts. Number 4. Akez Electric Bicycle. The Akez Jaguar electric bike is a stylish and efficient mode of transportation designed for solo riders. With a powerful 48V 1500W high-speed brushless motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 45 km/h and has a range of 31 to 60 km per charge. The aluminum alloy frame and 20 snow tires provide stability and traction on various surfaces. Featuring a 48V 18Ah lithium battery, the Jaguar offers a maximum load capacity of 150 kilograms and comes in a striking yellow-black color combination. Equipped with a Shimano 7-speed transmission, this non-foldable electric bike is suitable for urban commuting and leisure rides. Originating from mainland China, the Akez Jaguar combines performance, style, and convenience in a compact and lightweight package, weighing 28 kilograms and measuring 166/72, 106 cm in size. Number 5. FEIVOS W2 Electric Bicycle. The W2 electric bike is a luxurious and powerful mode of transportation designed for adventurous riders. With a robust 500W/1000W brushed motor and a 48V lithium battery power supply, this bike offers speeds of 30 to 50 km per h and a range of 31 to 60 km per charge. The aluminum alloy frame and 20 snow tires provide durability and traction for off-road adventures. Equipped with features such as disc brakes, Shimano gears, and air chamber shock absorption, the W2 ensures a smooth and safe ride. Originating from mainland China and certified with CE, this non-foldable electric bike combines style and performance for riders seeking a premium riding experience.